Hello all, I am Ms. Sowmiya R, Assistant Professor from the Department of Psychology of Dr. S.N.S. Rajashni College of Arts and Science. So in this video, let's look into the first unit in the research methods in behavioral sciences. Let's jump into the introduction. So behavioral sciences encompasses disciplines that explore human behavior through observation, experimentation, and analysis. These fields, including psychology, sociology, anthropology, and education, aim to understand how individuals and groups behave, think, and interact. Research in behavioral sciences seeks to answer questions about the causes, patterns, and effects of behavior, providing insights that inform theory, practice, and policy. The research process in behavioral sciences is systematic and guided by scientific principles. It typically begins with identifying a research problem or a question which serves as a foundation for the study. Researchers then develop a hypothesis, a testable statement that predicts the relationship between the variables. For example, a psychologist might hypothesize the higher levels of stress are associated with lower levels of productivity. The research design outlines how the study will be conducted, including the data collection methods, sample selection, and ethical considerations. Research methods in behavioral sciences can be broadly categorized into quantitative and qualitative approaches. Quantitative research focuses on the numerical data and statistical analysis to test hypotheses and identify patterns. Methods such as surveys, experiments, and structured observations are commonly used in this approach. For instance, an experiment might measure the impact of sleep deprivation on cognitive performance by comparing the test scores of sleep deprived and well rested participants. Qualitative research, on the other hand, emphasizes the exploration of subjective experiences and meanings. It involves collecting non numerical data through methods like interviews, focus groups, and ethnography. This approach is particularly useful for understanding complex phenomena such as cultural practices or individual coping strategies. For example, a sociologist might conduct in-depth interviews with immigrants to understand their experiences of cultural adaptation. A key aspect of research in behavioral sciences is ethical consideration. Researchers must ensure that participants are treated with respect, their privacy is protected, and they are not exposed to harm. Informed consent, voluntary participation, and confidentiality are fundamental ethical principles that guide the research process. In conclusion, the research method in behavioral sciences provide tools to systematically investigate human behavior. By combining quantitative and qualitative approaches, researchers gain a comprehensive understanding of complex phenomena, contributing to knowledge that can improve individual well-being and societal outcomes. The rigor and ethical integrity of these methods are essential for producing reliable and impactful findings. So about the meaning of the research, the first topic is about the providing definitions. So research in common parlance refers to a search for knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. In fact, research is an art of scientific investigation. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing, and evaluating data, making deductions, and reaching conclusions, and at last, carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. D. Slinger and M. Stephenson in Encyclopedia of Social Sciences define research as the manipulation of things, concepts, or symbols for the purpose of generalizing the to extent, correct, or verifying knowledge, whether the knowledge aids in construction of theory, or in the practice of an art. As such, the term research refers to the systematic method consisting of enunciating the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts or data, analyzing the facts, and reaching certain conclusions either through the solutions towards the concerned problem or in certain general some theoretical formulations.